Hey y'all, I'm back with a quick little project share. I got some dies from Temu, Ali, and Amazon haul. First we're going to start with these little geese that I made. This die set came from Amazon haul and I'll link all of the dies below. Little cowboy goose, little mother goose, a chef goose, a little baby goose swimming, this goose with a handkerchief on. Then we have a daddy goose in his tie, a birthday goose, and a goose with a flower. So next, sticking with birds, I got the really cute swan dies from KS Crafts. I think these have been out for a while and I didn't have that die. I just think these are adorable. I also got a flower die from Temu. This one I did flat, this one I puffed up. These are really pretty little cone flowers. It also comes with a stem, so if you have a bigger project, you can add the stem with the leaf. I got some Halloween dies. These came from Amazon haul and these came from Temu. I put them together and I made a little boo ghost and a trick-or-treat ghost. And then this little ghost. I also made this to put on the front of a card, combining the both of them, and that's popped up on foam. That's all I have. If you want to check out these dies, they are below in the description box. And please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for stopping by.